Ahoy there, mateys, and welcome back to a new episode of Cypher and Cypher's channel. Today we obviously have THERIZINOSAURUses. We have the one from Imaginext. It's also Mattel. It says Mattel, but this is Imaginext. It does that. It has this exclamation button here. It just strikes like that. You can move it like that. The claws. It doesn't have a sound. You have the marble eye, and we have the minis right here. A mini THERIZINOSAURUS. It only moves the arms and the legs and also a little the tail. Of course, we have a cheap looking THERIZINOSAURUS here from Chatmay. I'm pretty sure it's a Chatmay. You can tell it's a cheaply made toy. There's the bolts, but this thing has to go. I'm gonna probably cut it off and mix it to the Giga Hybrid soon. I'm gonna need its claws, spikes. So yep. Okay, so we have our Dominion. This came out 2 years ago. Here's our DNA scan for our Dominion THERIZINOSAURUS. There you have it. It's still good as new. This one has a sound. It's a slash. Our slashing THERIZINOSAURUS. There's its claw. We will compare to the new Hammond Collection. I know it's been weeks now since it came out. I actually have it too for weeks now. I never get a chance to unbox it. We didn't have much time, but we're gonna unbox and review it today. So here it is, our awesome THERIZINOSAURUS Hammond Collection. Let's go check the box. It looks super sweet. There you have it. Okay, we already have the Giga. We have two of these. Pyroraptor, we have no news about this yet. This one is already ready to pre-order. Same as Claire Deering and the Velociraptor Delta. So it says that THERIZINOSAURUS slashes onto the scene when the T-Rex and the Giga furiously face off in the Bison courtyard. Okay, we're not going to finish that. That's a mouthful. Alright, let's open it up. We are going to unbox it. Alright, okay. That's our sister. Alright, while unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support, guys. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, guys. Oh wow, here it comes. Oh, let's do it this way. Uh oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, I see. It also has a marble eye, guys. Look at that. Looks like it's smiling. Okay, so let's bring him out. All right, let's be careful. All right. Oh, that's good. All right. All right. Give me a second. Cypher needs me. Sec. All right, I'm back. Kids just needed me. Okay. Let's pull the tail. All right, now let's connect it. There you go. There. All right, so let's start on the tail. It is made of rubber. You can swing it. It looks so different from the Dominion. Okay, let's fix the legs. Wow. Looks so nice, guys. All right, let's move this aside. All right. Look at the claw. The details on the claw looks super sick compared to Dominion. Okay, we're gonna compare it now. We're not gonna compare it to the Imaginext. It's pointless comparing to them. But we will compare to the Dominion. Let's see the difference on this. It's older variant. Looks like the Hammond Collection has a smaller head. See that? Yeah, definitely a smaller head. It has a yellow beak. This one has like a teal green color, the older one. And the claw this one has a gray. This one's all black and looks like it has feathers too. Are those feathers? I don't know. And you can move it though. See? That's pretty cool. It can be moved. Huh? That's super cool. Because the Dominion version, you can't move it. It's really right there. Now the feathers, the Dominion seems to be longer. This one looks really nice. Meanwhile, the belly is made of gray. This one totally different. Also mint green and dark blue. The legs is also gray. You see that? Totally different. has smaller length of the legs. See that part? It's painted though. They painted the toes, which is very good. See that? The minion has bigger feet and has a blue on top of its eye. The Dominion one doesn't have it. Has a red head right there. This one doesn't. Okay, now the tail. You can see the difference. So the Hammond Collection has a longer tail. Look at that. Definitely longer. Whoops. But it looks like lots of hair though. Doesn't look like feathers anymore. Like hair. This one's made of feather. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Looks like they forgot to color this though. The toe, the claw over here, the toe and the claw. Yeah, they forgot to color that. Looks like Mattel missed that. Looks like their quality control missed that. Alright. But overall, the tongue. Let's check the tongue if it moves. Does it come out? Does it come off? Let's pull it out. No, it does not. It just stays there. So the tongue does not come out. No. So yeah. So pretty much the head does not move either. Like to make it wider, the mouth. I wish this one would go up too. Like the T-Rex or the Giga, but this one doesn't. Oh well. Maybe there'll be more improvements in the next one. Okay. There's some nice teeth. Overall the claws. Oh yeah, you can twist it too. My goodness. So there's a lot of articulation here. Look at that. It moves. You can twist it. That's insane. So yeah, there you have it today, guys. Oh, what's this? It has a damage. Is that damage? Oh no, it's a sticker. It's just a sticker, guys. I thought it was a scratch. Oh wow, it is a sticker. Okay, it came off. So, alright guys, that's it for today for our THERIZINOSAURUS. Next video will be the Ceratosaurus or the Pachyrhinosaurus. We're going back to Chaos Theory. Alright guys, so there you have it for today's THERIZINOSAURUS. Who's taller? Of course it's the Hammond Collection. Yep, it is the Hammond. And longer as well. So, yep. So the lower jaw has feathers here. This one doesn't have feather. Huh, okay. So that's there. Alright guys, that's it for today. Alright, just heads up. Let's not forget to click the like and subscribe button. Alright guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, you guys have a good one. Alright, bye for now. Thank you.